Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Today I am going to explain the meaning of the poem Silver. Okay, first I am going to read the poem and then I'll explain the meaning. Slowly, silently, now the moon walked the night in her silver shoon. This way and that she peers and sees silver fruit upon silver trees. One by one the casements catch her beams beneath the silvery thatch. Couched in his kennel like a log, with paws of the silver sleeps the dog. From their shadowy coat the white breasts peep, of doves in the silver feathers sleep. A harvest mouse goes scampering by, with silver claws and silver eye. And moveless fish in the water gleam, by silver reeds the silver stream. Okay, so this poem written by Walter de la Mare. So this poem is totally written about the moonlight. Okay, how the moonlight shines on the earth and how the things looks like a silver. That is all uh, uh, that is all explained in this poem. Okay, so what he is telling that slowly and silently moon spreads her light at night, and she looks like this way and they that way carefully and sees silver fruits upon silver trees. The whatever the trees fruits are there on the trees, they because of the moonlight they all looks like a silver fruits. Okay, so one by one the windows beneath the grass roof catch her rays. Whatever grass are there on the earth, when they catch the rays of the moonlight, they also looks silver, with a silver like silver color and silver uh, grass. The dog is lying in his kennel like a log of wood. The dogs are sitting in the kennel. They are also looking like a log, the log of the wood. So they are also looking like a log of wood. Okay, dogs are looking like they are living in the kennel, but when the sunlight comes on their mouth or on their body, they also looks like a log of wood. His paws reflect the silver light of the moon, and his paws जो पंजे रहते हैं उसके, that also reflect with the moon light of the moon, and in their shadowy shelter the doves are asleep. Okay, so in the shelter you see that how the doves are sleeping under the beneath the roofs and all. They are also shining in the their feathers, and the birds also shining in the moonlight. Okay, and the silver moonlight reflects of their white chest. Okay, the white doves are there and their chest are shining like a silver because of the moonlight. Okay, a harvest mouse goes running by, taking small steps. Its claws and eye too reflect with the silver night. Small mouse is passing over, if it is passing from there, it is also reflected by the silver light. The the motionless fish shine in the water of the silvery stream near the silver reeds. The fishes are swimming in the water, but motionless. The fishes which are not swimming, they are moveless. They are not motionless. Fishing are also looking like they are also shining in the water because of that moonlight. Okay, so this is the explanation of the poem. Okay, so what is the name of the poem? We will go through the explanation, appreciation of the poem. Name of the poem is Silver. Poet is Walter de la Mare. Okay, and what is the this rhyme scheme? What is the rhyme scheme? AABB. Okay, CCDD EEFF GGHH. Okay, so next is rhyme scheme. Then figure of speech. Figure of speech are there. Okay, which figure of speech are there in this? Silver sleep, alliteration. Okay, like a simile. Okay, couch in his kennel like a dog, simile. Then silver when the paws of silver sleep, alliteration. Okay, then this way and that she peers and sees. This way and that she peers and sees. Okay, this is personification, the comparison of things and natural things and non-living things. Okay, then special, what is the theme of the poem? Yes, in this beautiful poem the poet described the effects of moonlight on the countryside at night. What are the effects of the moonlight at night time. That is all mentioned in this poem. This is the central idea of the poem. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.